question and answer portion for Magic 3.
Okay, so everyone, we've come this far. This time will be our question and answer portion. Let's for this round. Okay, in no particular order, please join me here, Binibini 7. Can I have the microphone, please? Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Dean Hunter, Audio Lights. Alright. Okay, so the three judges, we have Jenny Rose, we have Luke, and also Mary Jane there. You have to pick your judge name, and they will be asking you the question. But I would like also to ask the judges to please ask the candidate twice. And everyone, please, amyo lang na ako, no, once the candidate answering the question, please refrain from shouting, or kung may mo, please would make some noise for them to compose themselves and answer their thoughts and opinions. And always remember that there's no wrong and correct answer, but it depends on how the candidates defend their thoughts and opinions. Let's respect every Pilipinis answers. Okay lang ba na mag-iyon tawa mag-answer sila? Okay, pwede na tayo cheers when they say, and I, thank you. That's usually the end point. Okay? Now pick your judgment. Alright, your judge is Judge Mary Jean.
Hello, number 7. How are you?
Fine.
Inhale sa then exhale para mawala yung kakulba. Okay. Akong basahan ang question kanina. Okay? Okay, your question goes this way. What moment in your life would you pick to change the lives of others? Again, what moment in your life would you pick to change the lives of others?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If I have the power to change my life, to impact the lives of others, it would be
Sayang.
I discovered
Okay? Ako balik ko ng question ha. Okay, number 7. What moment in your life would you pick to change the lives of others?
if I had the power to change my life, to impact the life of others, it would be
Choose.
the moment
Palakpakan naman natin, baby number 7. That's normal. And that's very okay. You know what, if you were on their shoe, it's not easy to stunt here. Maybe may stage fright mo siya, pero again, palakpakan mo natin, binibigay number 7. Ano palakpakan siya? Okay, next up, binibigay number 1. Join me here, please. I really love your sense of humor. Parang mawala ako ba? Can I see your reaction? Okay, for example, earlier, Binibini Shockiments, Binibini 1! I really love your sense of humor. You can see it. Okay, anyways, hopefully you can answer the question in a way that you are very enjoying the night. English ba? Bisaya. English ba? Bisaya. Okay, I don't know if they are allowed to answer in vernacular or any dialect, but pick your judge name, please. You don't know, as long as you are enjoying the pageant, mo pinaka-importante. Your judge is Judge?
Si Judge Juan.
Paula, Judge?
Juan.
Okay, number one, are you ready?
No.
But you have to be ready, actually.
I did yes.
Okay, there's no fun. Okay, number one. Your question, ako ba sa akin kayo twice and then so you can answer Bisaya or Tagalog. Okay? Yeah.
Hindi nga nga.
Kundi nga kundi cancer nga.
Which is better, doing the thing right or doing the right thing? Again, which is better, doing the right sorry, ako hindi na text mo. Okay, number one. Which is better, doing the thing right or doing the right thing?
Hello, Ines. Thank you for that wonderful question. It is very logical. Yes. For me, I would do the right thing. Why? Because it's very simple. Is Bisaya na?
You chose doing the right thing.
Hindi nga gago.
There's no time limit, you can answer it.
Ang ganda na pa eh.
Time check. Message niya ko na lang. The right thing.
Naghimo sa mayong butang.
Eh, wala ba yung ko ba?
Don't
It's for me, it's doing the right thing. Because it is better to do the right thing than doing the thing right. O, diba? Ano?
That's what I think. Oh shit. Gino.
Because whatever happens, thing. Whatever happens, if you did the right thing, or everything went wrong, you would do the right thing. So that I believe that doing the right thing is the right thing and nothing.
Thank you very much. And as long as you are enjoying, no matter what the result later on, I don't know if she's winning or not, but as long as she's enjoying, obligation for sure. But I'm gonna natin binibini one. Next up, binibini number 3. Alright. Binibini number 3. What is your height? You are 5'6", 5'7". No, you're not 5'5". You're so tall. You have the chance to join an international project. But anyways, pick your judge name. Alright. And now, your judge is Judge Luke Monternel, our chairman of the board.
Wala day di
Sir. Okay, I will read the question twice, and your question goes this way. If you had a chance to discuss a social issue with a sitting local government, what social issue would it be and why? Again, if you had a chance to discuss a social issue with a city local government, what social issue would it be and why?
Thank you for that question. If given the chance to discuss the issue of homelessness with the local government, homelessness is a complex that social issue affects individuals
Okay, back to zero.
and communities in a various ways. By addressing homelessness, we can improve the quality of life of vulnerable individuals, reduce poverty, and create more inclusive and overcome challenges and pursue their dreams. And I thank you.
Okay, now last but definitely on the list. Oh, we still have 12 mistakes. Maybe 12, please. Alright, pick your judge, please. Your judge is Jenny Rose.
Hi, candidate number 12. Okay, I know gipulbga ka, so given this chance nga appeal ka sa top 5, I want you to be more focused and then take your time, relax lang jud, so that you can answer the question very well. Okay? So I will read the question twice. So please listen very carefully. Take your time and then focus. Focus so that you can answer the question. Okay. My question is, has the speed of technological advances taken away our emotional connection? Kindly elaborate your answer. Again, has the speed of technological advances taken away our emotional connection? Kindly elaborate your answer.
Thank you for your question. So if the technology has taken away our emotional connection, so we can the speed of the technology, or let's say that technology devices or an AI machines can connect to humans, but humans cannot connect to the machines. That's why we can replace humans as the way as we communicate to each other. That's all. Thank you.
Short but precise. Thank you so much. And last but not the list, maybe number 6. There's only one, and that's you, Mom Jen.
Okay. Candidate number 6. Wapa juga dai. Okay, ready na? Okay. Take a deep breath, stop. Ginawa sa galong. Sige. Okay, this is your question. Hypothetically, if Barangay Napolan is a tourist attraction, how will you convince us to stay? Again, hypothetically, if Barangay Napolan is a tourist attraction, how will you convince us to stay?
Well, if Barangay Napolan for a tourist attraction, I say stay for the warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the hidden gems to be discovered around every corner. You won't just visit, but you'll experience a piece of paradise. Thank you.
Thank you so much, baby number 6. There you have it, everyone here now to the question and answer portion. Some of them are nervous, but some of them gave a good shot. So welcome everyone! Thank you very much, babies. You're gonna take your